Go get 'em.
Welcome back. Before y'all turn it off, let me explain something to y'all right now. I know y'all like, okay, what's going on with the camera? Where your cameraman at? Where's everything at? You know what, y'all? I had to do the whole camera thing on my own. I had to get the angles on my own. Ain't that crazy? Let me tell you something right now. I don't know where the cameraman is, but I know he's late right now. But I tell you one thing. If that cameraman tired, you gonna be fired. I'm telling you right now, you gonna be fired. Everything. I'm telling you, I'm trying to do all this for the people. I'm trying to get these shoulders together. I'm trying to relax. I'm trying to show y'all what's going on with these shoulders. We're trying to get a good workout in. I'm sorry for my attitude, y'all, but I tell you one thing, that cameraman gonna be fired. You fired. You is fired right now. Okay, I'm trying to get these lateral raises in. Let me calm down and get it together. I'm doing lateral raises. I ain't trying to be Kevin Hart, but somebody come and look at this. Would you look at this? Somebody come and look at this. Ain't no movements in the cameras or nothing. I just got the camera just sitting there chilling. That don't look good. I'm trying to do this for the people. Trying to do for everybody. Trying to get these shoulders in. Trying to get these, you know what I'm saying? Pull it up. Come on, Tomar. I know it's hard to get motivated when you ain't got a cameraman. Because my thing is, we ain't supposed to be going to the bottom. We supposed to be going up, not down. I've been here and I'm done this. If I'm in the cameraman next, you gonna be. I hope you. I hope you tired, cause you gonna be fired. When I see you gonna be fired. This is unacceptable. You fired. I'm telling you right now. Trying to get these shoulder raises. I got the cables on right now. Trying to get right with the cables. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to get into it. I'm sweating. I got a good sweat in. I'm working. And I know life don't stop because you ain't got a cameraman. So that's what I'm doing right now. Life is not stop. It has not stopped in my life. I'm still going. I'm still pushing. Even though the cameraman is late. You know what I'm saying? I'm still getting it in. Getting these shoulders in. Trying to get these front raises in. Working the front shoulder, you know, because there's 3 heads in the shoulder. So I'm working the front right now. So this right here is a good exercise. Put it between your legs. Try not to hit yourself. Do it just right. And it's gonna come out good. It's gonna come out great, y'all. Come on, Tone. Pull it up. I know it's hard to get motivated. We're gonna motivate each other. Let's get it. Yeah, come on, let's go. Yeah, all the way up. Yeah, I know it's hard. I know it's just pitiful. Look at the camera, y'all. Look in the background and see where the camera is. There's nobody holding the camera. You know what? There's something that's holding the camera. You want me to tell you what's holding the camera? A seat. A seat is holding the camera. A seat is holding the camera. I tell you what, that seat is I'ma hire that seat and I'm gonna fire the cameraman. Oh, look who decided to show up. Look who decided wanted to be in the party now. Wanted to come to the party. Now I got the cameraman. You finally showed up. I tell you what, next time if you tired, cameraman, you gonna be fired. You gonna be fired. I'm telling you. Presses, let's get it. All the way up, Tomar. All the way up. All the way up. Come on now. Push, boy. Put some life into it. What are you doing? Let's go. All the way up. All the way up. Yup. Presses. Shoulder presses, y'all. Shoulder presses. Come on. Let's go. All the way up. Get motivated. Let's go. Put some life into it. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, dookie face. Give me that dookie face. Yeah. Now you struck. Boy, you better put that weight up. That weight ain't heavy. Come on. Let's go. All the way up. Shoulder press. Let's go. Up. Let's go. Up. Let's go. Come on, Tomar. What you doing? Let's get it. Up. Y'all see that, y'all? It's just got to be just neat, just right. You know what I'm saying? Come on, dookie face, dookie face. Come on, put that dookie face on. Yeah. Push. That's what I'm talking about.
Finally, the cameraman came out. I thought I could fire somebody. Next time, hit the road. Know my slogans on the outside of the counts. It's boss now. I don't even know what to say. Subscribe, like, don't even tell everybody about it. Is that good enough? Can you tell everybody about the channel? That's spamming too? I'm out of here. Chill.